Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2017 Jeep Wrangler trail rated, and I'm about to show you how to do the oil change real quick in this vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the comments, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. And I hope you enjoy the video. After I show you how to do the oil change, I'm going to show you how to do the oil light. Welcome back. Stu is back. How you like the video of how to do the oil change? I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, bang it, destroy that like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. As you can see, you turn the key to the on position, and you're gonna see this message: oil life remaining. Let me show you how you're gonna get there. Just follow my fingers, okay? Press the menu button until you see that one, then press the arrow down. Okay? Until you see that one. That's the oil life remaining. Now, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the, the classic 3 steps on the gas pedal. Let me shut it down. I'll put it back on. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Oil life remaining 100%. I hope you like the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, bang it, destroy the like button, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Any questions, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll get you up later. Alright, holla at your boy. Astuvo, Burum. Hey.